You can quickly clean that yellow collar, and your shirt will look as good as new. Pour about a tablespoon of salt into the sink. Add a scoop of detergent for white fabrics. Pour in about a tablespoon of white wine, then add the same amount of vinegar. Fill it all up with warm water. Soak the shirt in this mixture, making sure the collar stays submerged in the solution. Salt, detergent, white wine, and vinegar all have cleaning properties. These products remove stains and whiten the fabric. Leave the shirt for about 15 minutes to let the ingredients work on the stain. Then rinse it thoroughly with cold water to remove the mixture. Wash the shirt according to the care label in the washing machine, using detergent for light-colored clothes. Dry the shirt in fresh air, preferably in the sun. After drying, you won't see any yellow stains on the collar. This simple mixture makes your shirt look brand new.
For old stains that have been on the paving stone for more than a few days, baking soda works better. It is one of the most effective tricks for removing this type of dirt. Sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda on the stains and add water. The baking soda will start to foam, creating a cleaning substance. Then, scrub the stone with a brush. Pour plenty of water over the area and let it dry. The stains will vanish from the driveway, and the paving stone will look like new. Pour this liquid on the paving stone. The oil stains will disappear. This trick costs pennies, and the driveway will look like new. You can remove ugly oil stains caused by dripping from parked cars yourself. You don't need a pressure washer or chemical cleaners for this. It turns out you already have the necessary liquid in your kitchen. Just pour it on the paving stone. To clean, you will need dishwashing liquid and a brush with stiff bristles. Pour the dishwashing liquid generously on the stains. Then, scrub with a wet brush using circular motions. Dishwashing liquid works great on greasy stains. It is inexpensive and readily available. Add some water and scrub thoroughly. After a few minutes, the stain will start to disappear. Finally, rinse with water generously and you're done.
Here's how to get rid of grease stains without a single drop of detergent. And it works faster than regular stain removers. Oil seeps deep into fabric fibers, which is why your washing machine often can't handle it. But there's a simple trick that almost always works. Cover the stain generously with salt. It'll start absorbing the grease right away. Then sprinkle on some baking soda. Its fine texture helps break down the oil like a gentle scrub. Now take a piece of aluminum foil, shiny side down, and place it over the stain. That side conducts heat better and speeds things up. Press a hot iron over the foil. The heat activates the salt and baking soda, drawing the grease out of the fabric and into the foil. Hold it there for about 15 to 30 seconds, but don't overheat the fabric. Then remove the foil and brush off the salt and baking soda. The stain will be gone, and your pants will look good as new. Quick, easy, and seriously effective. This hack works every time. This is the best way to remove stains from a white t-shirt. Whether it's stains from blueberries, cherries, strawberries, or watermelon, they disappear instantly. All it takes is a simple trick with hot water. It always works. I use it for sturdy fabrics. In spring and summer, when fruit is everywhere, stains on clothes are hard to avoid. Favorite strawberries can easily stain a shirt. First, remove any leftover fruit from the clothing. Then, grab a sieve or colander. Place your t-shirt over the sieve so the stain is centered. Stretch the shirt tight and tie it underneath. It needs to be pulled taut. You can also use a rubber band if you prefer. Once your t-shirt is secured, place it over a bowl. The sieve should be lying flat. Now, boil some water in a kettle. Put the bowl on the floor. Take the kettle and stand on a chair or ladder. From as high up as possible, pour the boiling water over the stain. You'll watch the stain disappear right before your eyes. This is the perfect method for removing fresh stains. The tightly stretched fabric and boiling water, poured from a height, will lift the stain. Afterward, simply wash or rinse the shirt and let it dry in the sun. Sunlight will work as an additional natural bleach. Get rid of yellow stains in just a few seconds. Yellow stains on your blouse can be quite troublesome and hard to remove, especially when they've deeply penetrated the fabric. Often, Traditional cleaning products aren't enough, so it's helpful to know an effective method. Take a larger glass bowl and prepare hydrogen peroxide, which has bleaching properties that will help effectively remove the stains. Add a little to the bowl. Then add vinegar, which is an ideal ingredient for whitening clothes at home. It works as a stain remover and helps dissolve any remaining dirt. The final key ingredient is dish soap, whose cleaning properties make it effective at removing stains without damaging the fabric. Add some dish soap. Lastly, pour in warm water and mix everything together so the ingredients combine. Finally, place the stained item into the bowl. If the stain is more stubborn, leave it for a moment. Scrub the stain against the fabric thoroughly, then rinse. If you're wondering how to get rid of yellow stains, this method is perfect. Your blouse will be snow white and look as good as new. A grayish and yellowed t-shirt will look like new. You'll see the difference immediately. Place the t-shirt in the sink and squeeze a few centimeters of toothpaste onto it. Toothpaste has whitening properties and removes stains and discoloration. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of salt. Salt naturally restores the whiteness of white clothes. Add 1 capful of detergent for whites and pour warm but not boiling water over everything. The water temperature should match the fabric of the t-shirt. Mix it with the detergent and leave it for a few minutes. Then, hand wash the t-shirt in the water. You'll notice the water changing color. Finally, squeeze out the excess water and wash the t-shirt in the washing machine with other white clothes. If you dry the t-shirt in the sun, its rays will whiten it even more. This method for washing white clothes is simple and effective. Toothpaste, salt, and detergent can really whiten your clothes well. It gets the dirt out of your socks better than any bleach. No fancy detergent pod from a commercial will whiten your socks like this old-school trick from Grandma. White socks lose their brightness fast. Stains and dirt build up, and nothing seems to help. But I've got a method that really works. Grab a large glass container and toss in your dirty socks. Add a tablespoon of salt. It acts as a natural whitener and softens the water to boost cleaning power. Then add a tablespoon of baking soda to fight odors and help lift stains. Pour in some dish soap to break down grease and work as a gentle degreaser. Sprinkle everything with citric acid, which naturally brightens and boosts the effect of the baking soda. Finally, pour in hot water. Watch the mixture fizz. That's when the ingredients start penetrating the fabric and breaking down the grime. Stir it all with a wooden spoon and let the socks soak for a few minutes. Then toss them into the washer with your white laundry and run a gentle cycle. Take them out and see the results. Clean, fresh, and bright white, like brand new. No scrubbing, no expensive bleach. Try this trick and say goodbye to dingy gray socks forever.